Good morning. Welcome to Assembly for today. I hope you had a fantastic day yesterday with World Book Day. It was such a lot of fun seeing all of the mums and dads for the Stay and Read thing. And it was really nice to see people in the library sharing a good story, and really lovely to see people doing all of those exciting activities. And there's been so many people in the a book fair in the library as well. And I'll tell you what, there are some amazing books there. I had a quick look this morning and they all look so cool. So I thought what I would do today is share with you just a really good story, because that's what World Book Day is all about. Reading is cool. And at Wincham, we love a good book, and reading is just fun. So I'm going to share with you Pirates in the Supermarket. And the first thing that you need to know is why pirates are called pirates. Because they are. That's it. Yeah, I like that joke. It's good. So, Pirates in the Supermarket. I love the fact there's so many pictures in this and there's so much to see. So in each picture, you've got to spot where the pirates are. We've got Blackbeard and Slim Jim, Red Ruby, Seasick Susan and Squirt. We've got Eye Patch and Big Bob, Hooky, Miss Beard and Pegleg. Pirates don't go shopping. They're not like Mum and me. They steal and sail and fight and roar. They never leave the sea. Sure they don't go shopping? I think I can see some. But then I take a look around and who's here? Can you guess? It's a mob of naughty pirates making the most dreadful mess. Blackbeard swinging on a rope sprays ketchup in the air, while Hooky opens cans of fizz that fountain everywhere. There are pirates in the supermarket. Look, you'll see them too. I tell my mum, but she replies, now don't be silly, you. Can you see any? I'm not sure I'd like to hide in a freezer. It'd be really cold. Oh, somebody's even taken the can of beans out of her hand. So Eye Patch digs a great big hole, and no one says, do not. He buries his huge treasure chest right where eggs mark the spot. Wow, even dinosaurs under the supermarkets. Who'd have thought it? But the grown-ups keep on shopping as if it's all okay. They're busy and don't see them or hear me when I say, there's an anchor in the butter. There's a spyglass by the juice. There are parrots on the carrots. There are pirates on the loose. The checkout staff say, pirates? We don't have them anymore. But who's this lot, I ask them, wheeling cannons through your store? Help, they cry, it's pirates. We've made a big mistake. The pirates grin and start to fill their cannons up with cake. Actually throwing food for a food fight. Amazing. Kasplurge, kasplang, kaspluffle. Oh no, the staff all scream as the pirates cover them in icing, crumbs and cream. I make a hat from boxes and a cutlass out of bread. I say, I'm Captain Crossbones, the man all pirates dread. So get this whole shop shipshape, or I'll make you walk the plank. And when the sharks are nibbling you, it's me they'll have to thank. There you go. Pirates obviously very scared of him. The sea dog set to scrubbing till the supermarket's clean. It ends up looking like a place no pirates ever been. They run off to their pirate ship. They swear they won't come back, but I'm not sure I trust them. They might try a new attack. What do you think? It's quite a difficult job sailing a ship into a supermarket car park. So when you're in a supermarket, keep a lookout, do. Those pirates might be hiding, not so very far from you. It might just be helping serve. There we go. It's a short story. It's a silly story. And actually, silly can be fun. And silly is good sometimes. And I know that some of you who are reading longer books than that might look at it and think, that's a bit babyish for me. But do you know what? It's a bit funny. It's okay to sit and have a laugh about that sort of thing. And at the end of the day, it's fun to share a story. And I've said this before in assemblies and to people around school, it's one of the favorite things I do. Sharing a story is absolutely brilliant. And I know that over the last couple of days, you've been doing all sorts of work, sharing your favorite stories, sharing your ideas. And it's been so lovely seeing all of your enthusiasm for it. It's been really, really cool. So keep up with your reading. Keep up with book club or reading the books that you've got and enjoy the books from the book fair. Come and tell me all about them. If your teacher has been telling you how well you've been reading at home, make sure you come and see me for a sticker if your teacher tells you, because it is really, really good. Now, final thing, I am reading a really, really cool book at the moment. It's absolutely brilliant. It's about a world where something has happened, and I don't quite know what it is that's happened, but society isn't quite like it is at the moment. And there is a girl who is able to speak to ghosts. And she thought she was the only person who could do this, but she's just found a whole magical society of people, and they let her into this library where there's all sorts of things to do with magic, and she's just starting to learn it. But there's one person who is kind of looking at her going, well, you shouldn't be here, you don't really belong in this world. And I'm really enjoying it because it's very different to a lot of other stuff that I've read. It's really entertaining, and it's a little bit dark, it's a little bit scary. So I've got a little plan this weekend. Tomorrow I'm going to go for a really long bike ride with a friend, and on Sunday I'm going to settle down with a mug of hot chocolate, and I'm going to get on the sofa, and I'm going to get my book, and I'm going to sit and really enjoy that story. I'm really, really looking forward to it, because it's not just about reading the book, it's about the whole experience, snuggling up on the sofa, hot chocolate, and really enjoying that story. So that's my weekend, and I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you have a lovely weekend too. Bye-bye.